First are cryptocurrencies and data management, new solutions for storing and sharing. Data, cryptocurrencies, and blockchain technology are revolutionizing data management by offering secure, transparent, and efficient methods for storing and sharing data. Key benefits. 1. Decentralized storage. Data is distributed across a network, reducing the risk of breaches and tampering. 2. Immutability. Once recorded, data cannot be altered or deleted, ensuring integrity. 3. Transparent sharing. Blockchain provides a transparent ledger, promoting trust and reducing discrepancies. 4. Ownership control. Individuals and organizations retain control over their data with cryptographic access management. 5. Efficient transactions. Cryptocurrencies facilitate secure micropayments and automated transactions through smart contracts. These innovations enhance data security, privacy, and efficiency in managing and sharing information.